Why do people make mistakes when they speak English? One reason is speed. Many learners believe that if they speak faster, they will sound more fluent, more natural, perhaps even more native. And it is easy to understand why. Fast speech can sound confident from the outside. But here is the interesting thing. The faster you speak, the less time you give yourself to think, choose and shape your words. And when your mind has less space, mistakes become more likely. So fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about control. Another reason is pressure. When speaking English feels uncomfortable, your brain naturally wants to get you through that moment as quickly as possible. It wants the difficult feeling to end, so you may rush. You might speak faster than you planned. You might try to finish quickly so you can finally relax and think, good, it's over. And that is completely normal. But there is another way. You can pause. You can breathe. You can slow down. And as you slow down, something begins to change. You give your mind a little more space. You give your words a little more time to appear. You give yourself permission to speak clearly instead of quickly. You do not need to compete with the speed of a native speaker. You do not need to escape the discomfort. You simply need to move through it, one sentence at a time. A pause is not a weakness. A pause is control. A breath is not a delay. A breath is support. And the more you allow yourself to speak with clarity, with calmness, and with conviction, the more you may notice that the words are already there. Maybe not all at once, maybe not perfectly, but they are there, stored somewhere in your memory, waiting for a little space, waiting for a little calm, waiting for you to give them time. So the next time you speak English, remember this: slow down, take a breath, pause when you need to, speak clearly. Because your goal is not to speak as fast as possible. Your goal is to be understood. And when you give yourself time, your English has more room to come out.